Why is that taken off? Because I'm going to show you how to remove that guy. And I already did all this. I already took it off. It's over there. These guys. Center pins come out. Center pins come out. All 142 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go all the way around. We're going to get that out. Now, to get the actual camera out, we need to get this guy, and this guy. These two 10 mils, which are these two. Oh, and don't lose your push pins. That was for show purposes only. Now over in the corner, we got this guy. These little puppies. These are just miniature versions of these guys. Center pops out. Tool like this. Gotta love this thing. Alright, there's two of them. One on each side. Right here. Where is it? Right here. Alright. Now, with that being undone, then you have push pins. Alright, so you got one over here. Alright. Pop this guy out. Because these guys will push pins right here in. You see them? Two of them. Now, we also have these white pins. I'm going to show you what I did to get them out. I used this guy. You see over here? I used it as leverage and pushed upward. You see? You want to squeeze and push upward, you see? Now, let's get these puppies out. See the other one right there? Let's get this puppy out. That guy is this guy. That guy. Push up, 10, 10, push up, pull out, push in. So there you go. Handle, actuator. You got one plug right here. Look, oh my lord. 2 10s. Oh my lord. And just like that, we got it out. 2 10 mils. That's it, dude. Plus we already unplugged it. So, I mean, come on. I'll show you when I put it back in. See how easy this is? Look, after about 3 minutes, start it by hand. And then you hit it with a gun. You have to see the rest. You did take it out yourself. So, like I said, 10, 10, push, and push this pin back in, which is this guy right here. But I already showed you this, so there you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and don't forget to plug it back in. Thanks for watching.